This 2023 Grand Design Momentum 351 Mega Siemens R is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. This new Grand Design is 39 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Pebble interior, sleeps 9, oven, skylight, microwave, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, water heater, air conditioning, LP detector, slide-out, awning, and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, patio deck, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum 351 Mega Siemens R is 14,700 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV, visit RVUSA.com.